Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell and woo! Alright, man, so we finally got another foldable in the building. So we got the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm hyped for this, man. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so man, I'm hyped today because this is gonna be my second time unboxing a foldable, and it's the Galaxy Z Flip now. So you know, they just announced this like a month ago or something like that, and now I'm finally getting into it, and oh man, like this is gonna be fun, man. And I got the purple color. The purple color is so beautiful, man, but I really wanted that gold, man, that gold. Oh my god, man. Only if we had it in the US, I'll go crazy, alright? Like, just look at this video real quick of the Galaxy Z Flip in gold, like, oh my god, man, like, I wish they had that in the Galaxy Fold because that's something else. But this purple color did look pretty good too, and I wasn't gonna get no black version because I'm not trying to get black, like, I'm not boring. Yeah, I got a black case and a gray S20 Ultra, but like, that's the only option I had. I wish they had cloud blue for that thing, but I'm getting off track. So you can see that I already got the Galaxy Fold for those that don't watch this channel, because everybody that watches this channel, I already know that I got the Galaxy Fold. But let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. So let's go ahead and do something real quick. I know it's probably already going to be some of those people in the comments like, look at this dude, he trying to not mess around and catch a coronavirus real quick. But I'm just putting these on because I heard this thing is a fingerprint magnet. Like, I was looking in the videos. Yeah, this thing gets fingerprints way too easy. Plus, like, you won't get the coronavirus, guys. Just stop worrying about that. Just wash your hands, use hand sanitizer or whatever, and stop buying up all the toilet paper and hand sanitizer at the store. But alright, man, so let's look around this real quick. So we have the Galaxy Z Flip here in this like Aura Glow type of color here. So pretty much like how on the Note 10 Plus has Aura Glow, you get some different colors here in the Z logo. So that's dope. On the left side, we have Galaxy Z Flip, and on the right side, we don't have nothing. On the back, it just says AT&T, what's inside the box. So we got the Galaxy Z Flip, the SIM card, the wall charger, clear cover, stereo headset, USB connector, quick start guide, and terms and conditions. So here's something interesting. So with these new S20 Ultras and all that, they don't come with these little USB connectors anymore. So you have to get them like separately. They literally ask you while you're buying them, like, do you want to go ahead and include this in your order? So I clicked on yeah, mine's still on its way. But in here, it just comes in here like the regular boxes. But yeah, so that's what it looks like next to the Galaxy Fold box, and we still got that Aura Glow look to it. But alright, man, let's go ahead and do this already. So let's go ahead and crack into this box. So let's go ahead and cut the tape right up here. And I want to go and point this out. So this Galaxy Z Flip is not at all going to be replacing my Galaxy Fold as my main, okay? Like, we're talking about a phone, a regular smartphone, even though it's small, that can fold into a tablet versus a phone that folds into a smaller phone. Like, no. I would rather have this big screen experience with a regular phone size in my pocket because I never had problems fitting a regular phone in my pocket, so why do I need to worry about it now? But let's go and slide this out the box here. So we have Z, and then we got Flip. You get it? And then we got that same Aura Glow look to it again. Alright, so let's go ahead and bust into this box right here. So it's looking like a regular phone box, like this S20 Ultra right here. Same size pretty much. So the future changes shape, meet your Galaxy Z Flip. Cool. Let's go and get this thing out the box. And there we go. We got a care instruction again, like the regular Galaxy Fold. And whoa, look at that purple, man. That looks dope. Okay, I'm really feeling this color, but I still like gold better, but still, that's dope, okay? So let's go and take this off real quick. Oh my god, I don't even want to do this yet. But let's go ahead and take this off here. So there we go. Oh man, yeah, that is beautiful, man. So yeah, this is like a really tall phone, but we have our hole punch right there, and then we have our earpiece here at the top. And then let's just go ahead and do the folding part. So let's go ahead and do it now. Oh man, that hinge right there, that feels nice. Okay then, yeah, I'm really feeling that. I was not expecting that. It got some resistance to it, and like I said, I really feel that. But oh my god, wait till I go in public and everybody see this color and they're gonna be like, what phone is that? Oh, Galaxy Z Flip. Oh man, yeah, this is gonna be fun, man. So let's go and put this to the side real quick. So we got a Galaxy Z Premier Service. So that's what they renamed it to from Galaxy Fold Premier Service. I don't know why they named it that. They could have just named it like Galaxy Premier Service or something like that. So we get a 24-hour concierge service here, and then we get a 1-year screen replacement offer. So basically, the first time you get your screen repaired, you can pay only $120, but after that, it's gonna be regular pricing. So we got our AT&T SIM. Let's throw that to the side. We got our 15 watt or 10 watts or whatever that is. But it's our regular USB-A to USB-C charger here, like in the Galaxy S10. Then over here, we should have our chargers. So yep, there we go, USB-A to USB-C. And then we have our braided AKG headphones with the USB-C. So I'm not gonna go and take that out. Alright, stop y'all. I forgot to mention some things inside the box. So I forgot to mention that we got this USB connector in there. And we still have some underneath the box. I'm telling y'all, I always forget that there's some underneath there. So in here we should get the case and everything. So I think I was just too hype, okay? I'm still hype right now. Like I literally just unboxed it like 10 minutes ago. But in here we have our usual books and stuff. But what do we do with that? You already know what we do with this. We throw it to the side, okay? And right here we got a clear case with a little bit of adhesive on here. So I heard with these clear cases that they actually get a lot of dust inside of them. So I'm not really feeling that, but I might slap it on anyway. But we got a little bit of that purple accent right there, so that's nice. Slapping it on, I know everybody's cringing right now because I didn't get the fingerprints on the phone yet. And I still didn't get that sticker off of this phone yet. But let's go ahead and open this thing up right here. So that's what the case looks like. It looked nice, man. I might keep this on. On the top part right here, you can't see that we have the cutout here for the cameras, the flash, and then the screen. So I got the camera here so you can actually see it. So you can still see it fine. You can still use it fine and everything. Alright, let's get to the Z Flip here. Oh my god, man, that's beautiful. I cannot get over that. So we have our 2 cameras here. So we have our wide angle and our ultra wide. We have our flash, and then we have that tiny little screen right there. So yeah, like come on now, like when you're using the Galaxy Fold, you have all this screen right here, and then like I said, you can just unfold it into a tablet, but you don't have to unfold it. On here, you have to unfold it because all you're gonna see is like your notifications, and like, what are you gonna use with that? Like the camera? No, you're not. And yeah, so let's go and look around this thing real quick. So on the right side, we have our volume rockers, and then underneath that, we have our power button / fingerprint scanner. So they should have did that with the Galaxy Fold because basically you have your fingerprint scanner, but that's it. So you have a separate power button right here. So pretty much like the Galaxy Tab S5e, it's just in one button. So at the bottom here, we have our USB-C port, our microphone, and our 1 speaker here. So it's only mono audio. We don't get stereo speakers on this thing. I got so used to stereo that I feel like it's gonna suck now. But on the left side, we have our SIM card slot. So this doesn't support SD cards. And at the top, we got our microphone. So no headphone jack in sight, obviously. But let's go ahead and turn this thing on. So I already covered the screen right here. So we have that hole punch again, and then we have that earpiece. And then we have these right here to keep dust out. Just like the Galaxy Fold, so I'll go ahead and unfold this real quick to show y'all. Same exact thing. So yeah, really nothing changed. But also I just noticed here too, we have these bumpers here at the bottom. So like, I guess it won't scratch the bezel or something like that when you close it, because reviewers are talking about so you don't close the screen too hard and like you break the screen or whatever. That's not it. You already got all this resistivity over here, so you don't got to worry about the screens touching. But there we go. So we got our little display over here. And while it's folded, let's go ahead and look over here. So there's our hinge. Okay, hold up. Pause the video real quick. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but on my $1,300, $1,400 phone, whichever one it was, there's literally 2 scratches right here on the hinge. It's probably like day 4, day 3 or whatever of me having this phone. And I remember like the same day or the next day I had noticed these scratches on the hinge. So I looked back in the unboxing video and sure enough, they were in there outside the box. And you can notice these scratches right here, right outside the box. What? You may not see this as a big deal, but for a luxury phone like this, yeah, I think it's a big deal. So now I gotta go ahead and contact the Galaxy Z Premier service and get a replacement. Because right outside the box, yeah, that never happened to me. Not even on my Galaxy Fold. That's just super weird. I didn't scratch it or nothing. Like I said, it just came right outside the box. So I don't know if it was like me when I folded it or unfolded it, like some inside scratching it or what. But yeah, that's super weird. And this was recorded on the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, as you can see by that camera right there. And we got that same colorful Samsung design. And even the hinge though, that's purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so we just finished the setup here and it says before you get started, so it's the same exact message again like we get on the Galaxy Fold. But let's go and tap on done here, and there we go. So let's go and check out that wallpaper real quick. So if we go ahead and close this and then go ahead and open it again, we should get a little animation right there, so that's nice. But not much of a crease right there. You can see the crease, but it's not really there that much. So on the Galaxy Fold, like I think since I've been folding it so much, that you can see like a more of a noticeable crease. So that's just gonna happen over time. I don't know how noticeable it's gonna get, but that's how it looks on mine. But yeah, so two completely different form factors. You got a tablet that folds into a phone, and a phone that folds into a phone. And yeah, so that's a size difference right there. Let's go ahead and open this thing actually and see how tall it is compared to the Galaxy Fold. And yeah, that's a screen difference right there. So compared to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, it's actually shorter than the S20 Ultra. But right here, you can see it's like more narrow. See, I feel like content's gonna be weird in this thing, but yeah, you can see the hole punches right there, so it's a little bit bigger on the Z Flip. And yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it for my Galaxy Z Flip. Let's go and do that one hand thing right there. Okay then, so it's not that hard to do. I haven't used like a folding phone like this, like the Razr or anything like that in a minute. Like my last phone like this, like my flip phone, I think it was like a Samsung flip phone or something. But one last thing I want to go and check out is, let's go ahead and see this right here. So we have a little bit of a gap right there. So I kind of like that because like if you get something in the screen and you close it, and then it can just like fall out the screen. But let's look at the thickness compared to the Galaxy Fold. So not really a big difference right there. It looks exactly the same to me. Obviously it's just like half the size right there. So like with this S20 Ultra right here, yeah, it's like pretty much half the size. But yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much what's gonna be from me. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But this is gonna be fun, man. I got a lot of videos coming out on this foldable stuff now. Like, I'm pretty hyped for this. But just waiting until I go to the store and start playing with this thing. Like, just the color by itself, that's gonna catch them off guard right there. Because it really is a beautiful phone, man. But yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much all I got for y'all right now. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out. But really, that mini display right there, I'm not really feeling that. So let's go and open the camera real quick. And there we go. That's how it looks. Oh my God. Why would I ever want to do this? Now, how do we do the ultra wide? Do we tap it? Okay, yeah. So that's how we do ultra wide. But yeah, y'all. So peace out.